What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview tutorial and show you how to build an app without the need of coding on Bubble.io. Bubble.io is a great platform that you can use to build your own apps or online apps without the need of coding, and it'll work on all the main platforms such as desktop, tablet, or like phone. And you can do so without the need of coding, as I told you, using drag and drop. So let's get right to it. First of all, you need to go to their website, that's bubble.io, where you'll get like an overview of the platform and its different uses. So here you have like an animation that showcases the different features of the platform here. And if you scroll down, you can get like some statistics as well as some information and so on. So you can here get the view their products, their use cases. Let's take a look at the pricing pretty quickly before we get started. So if I click on pricing, I can start building for free, prototyping and designing my application. And here you have all the plans. The free plan, which is of course good for beginners and small business owners that are just starting out. The starter plan, which is $29 per month. Of course, these are the prices per annually. If you go to monthly, the prices will be a little bit higher. Now, the growth plan, the team, and the enterprise. Each plan with its different features, you can go ahead and compare the plans here. The free plan gives you like the development version, and the least expensive, which is the starter plan, gives you live app, and you have here it goes higher with each plan. Now let's go ahead and get started using the platform. And here I can log in with Google or with email and password, or I can log in if I already have an account. So I'll enter my email and password to create my account and then get back to you. Okay, and once I entered my email and password, I'm like guided through a quick setup process. What brings you to Bubble today? Let's say I want to build an app for myself or my business. How comfortable are you learning new technology? Let's say I'm pretty comfortable. I'm willing to learn if I need to. And here, where are you with your project? Let's say I'm just exploring. Where did you hear about Bubbles? Let's say a blog. And now I need to go to my inbox and verify the email verify my email by clicking on the link they sent me. And once I did, I can start building my own app. So you can start building right away, or optionally you can like dictate to the AI what is your app for and the details, and the AI will try to create it for you. But for now, I want to start building manually. Okay, this is a free trial for the starter plan. For now, let's start with the basic features. So here I'm going to start creating my app. So let's change the name to How to Simple. And as you can see, each setting that I change will reflect here in real time. Okay, next step. I can also skip this assistant if I want to. I can choose the font. Okay, let's choose this one. As you can see, the font will change. You can choose the one that is best suited for your business or looks better for you. Next, you can change here the colors. The primary color for like the buttons and the borders here. Okay, I like this one. The primary contrast, the text color, let's change it to dark blue here. Okay, now the surface color, let's change it to pink. The background color, let's change it to yellow. Of course these colors don't match, I know. However, I'm just showing you that we can edit like each element. The destructive, success, and alert colors as well. Let's click on next, and here I can explore some plugins if I want to. For now, let's start building. And here you get the basic editor. I can view the elements, I can drag and drop them. Like these headers, I can view the headers. Let's drag and drop a header right here. And if I click on the header, I can like edit all the information. Let's close this library for now. Okay, now I can edit the appearance here. I can edit the layout. Alignment, let's make it in the middle, for example. Conditional, if you want to be more professional. Now the layout, I can edit here the alignment. I can minimum width and the height and so on, and the margins. The appearance, I can edit the background color, the background style. Let's make it a gradient. Okay, from left to right. Okay, the starting color is white. The ending color, let's make it like this red here. And the intermediate color, let's see what that is, the border style, the width and height, and so on. Now here, let's close this editor. Now let's add other elements here. You can add visual elements such as text, buttons, icons, link, images, and so on. So let's add a button. Just drag and drop it right here. Now the button says, let's name it Click Me, for example. And now the main primary button, or a flat button, outline button. And here, once you hover over any of the options, you get like an overview of how it'll look like. Let's leave it as a primary. Now here, I can give you also a quick video to show you how to deal with buttons. Now I can edit the background color, the flat color. Let's make it an image, or let's make it let's leave it as flat color. Okay, make it like this really pale pink. Now let's click on it once again, and I can edit shadow, horizontal offset for shadow, and so on. Now for the layout, I can edit the width, the height, the margins, and so on. And here, when this button is hovered, or I can define the action to it if I want to. Now let's close this one. Let's go ahead and add like other elements. You can add many elements this way. Or I can click on components to reopen the ready-made elements, such as like main body. Let's add the main body right here. I can also, for each element, drag it to like replace or remove. Now for each element, I can drag it to like put it in another place. I can also edit the text. I can edit all the options for this specific element. And if I go scroll down, I can have more like elements, a footer, a sign up login form, and so on. Let's add a sign up form, for example. I'll just drag it and drop it here below the main body. And as you can see, it's now visible. Now, if I close the components, I can go ahead here for this whole section. I can just click on it and now press delete. It'll delete each element, or for the whole section, I can delete it as well. So you can like add and delete elements and whole sections, whole components if you want to. And you can do so with like the sign up forms, the footers, the headers, and even the the elements or the components that I added earlier. I can delete like sections from it. So if I delete this text, I can, let's put it back, and so on. And once I'm happy with all the settings, or how it will look like, I can go ahead, let's scroll up, let's close this components. I can go ahead and preview it. It'll open up in a new tab. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can use the basic drag and drop app editor on Bubble.io.